Ready to see gadgets you've probably never come across before? These unique finds are clever, affordable, and built to make everyday life easier without the hefty price tag. From smart little helpers to space-saving must-haves, they're the kind of gems Amazon would never put front and center. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Your morning coffee just got futuristic. This smart porcelain mug hides a pixel display right inside the cup. You can design your own pixel art. Let AI whip up creations for you, or even share animations with a friend's mug. Beyond fun visuals, it also shows the time, weather, and your drink's temperature. It's part coffee cup, part entertainment hub, always putting a smile on your desk. Time management doesn't have to be boring. This Hexagon Timer makes staying focused as easy as flipping a cube. Choose from preset countdowns like 3, 5, or 25 minutes, or set your own with just 2 buttons. You can pause, resume, or even switch to count-up mode with a simple turn. Small, rechargeable, and magnetic, it sticks to any surface and keeps you on track anywhere. Cold, soggy shoes are the worst, but this portable boot dryer fixes that fast. It blows warm air through every corner, from toe to heel, so your gear dries evenly and quickly. With a foldable rack, you can use it for boots, gloves, helmets, or even hats. The built-in timer lets you set it and forget it, while precise temperature control keeps items safe. Dry feet, happy adventures. Crumbs in the car, dust in your keyboard? This little cordless vacuum tackles it all. It's a 3-in-1 tool, sucking up dirt, blasting out air as a duster, or working as a hand pump when needed. 3 different nozzles reach tight spots most cleaners can't touch. Lightweight and rechargeable with a USB-C cable, it runs up to 20 minutes. Washable filters make cleanup simple and eco-friendly. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Dark corners don't stand a chance with these wireless under-cabinet lights. Motion sensors switch them on the moment you walk by, making late-night kitchen trips or stair climbs safer. You can choose warm, natural, or cool white light and dim them to the perfect brightness. Each light is rechargeable, and the charging station keeps them powered and clutter-free. Laundry day just got easier for small spaces and travel. This mini washing machine handles shirts, pajamas, and even shoes with a powerful pulsator that mimics hand washing. Nylon bristles scrub gently without damaging fabric, while a detachable basket makes draining quick and simple. Compact and lightweight, it tucks away in a cabinet, dorm, or RV when not in use. Perfect for quick washes without the bulky appliance. Movie nights just got smarter. This couch caddy keeps everything you need, drinks, snacks, phone, and remote, right at arm's reach. The self-balancing cup holder means no spills, even on soft cushions. Its modular design lets you rearrange compartments to fit your setup, whether it's on the sofa, in the car, or on a road trip. There's even a charging port built in, so your devices stay powered while you relax. Tangled cords slowing you down? This wireless charger makes charging simple and neat. The magnetic stand locks your phone in place and powers it up at 15 watts, twice as fast as the old 7.5 watt pads. Need more? A built-in retractable cable handles laptops and tablets up to 65 watts, so you can juice 2 devices at once. Adjustable height keeps even bigger phones steady, and the compact base keeps your desk clutter-free. Ever wish stairs didn't make moving a nightmare? This folding cart does the climbing for you. 6 silent wheels roll smoothly over steps, curbs, and uneven ground, carrying loads up to 165 pounds with ease. The telescopic handle adjusts to your height so your back stays safe. And when the job's done, it folds flat to slip under a bed, into a trunk, or behind a door. Airports don't have to be a hassle. This smart carry-on is built for travelers who want convenience on the move. A foldable cup holder and phone stand keep your coffee steady and your screen propped while you wait. Built-in USB and Type-C ports let you charge devices anywhere as long as you bring a power bank. With TSA locks, smooth spinner wheels, and wet-dry compartments inside, your trip stays organized and stress-free. Dust, crumbs, and smudges don't stand a chance. This 10-in-1 cleaning kit gives you the right tool for every messy situation. A retractable brush sweeps keyboards clean, while a fine tip digs between tricky keys. The flocking sponge keeps earbuds spotless, and the spray with microfiber cloth leaves screens streak-free. Compact and portable, it's easy to stash in a drawer, backpack, or desk for whenever things need a refresh. Your backyard just got a bodyguard. This floodlight camera lights up with 3,000 lumens, bright enough to turn night into day. A 180 degrees wide-angle lens captures everything in 2.5K HD, with full color even after dark. Smart motion detection spots people or cars and instantly sends an alert to your phone. With a built-in siren and voice warning, unwanted visitors won't stick around for long. Outlets never seem to be where you need them, until now. This flexible power strip bends around furniture legs and corners, so plugs stay accessible without the clutter. 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports let you charge everything from laptops to phones at once. Built-in surge protection keeps your devices safe, and the 5-foot cord gives you room to move. Compact and portable, it's just as handy for travel as it is at home. Threading a needle doesn't have to test your patience. This automatic threader does the tricky part for you with just the push of a button. Whether it's a fine needle or a larger one, it lines up the thread perfectly every time. You can even choose single or double threading depending on your project. Simple, fast, and frustration-free. It makes sewing so much easier. Good lighting makes all the difference, and this selfie stick brings it with you. 2 detachable fill lights give you 6 brightness settings, so your shots look great day or night. The tripod base sets up in seconds for group photos or hands-free videos, while the telescopic pole extends nearly 4 feet for wide angles. A wireless remote lets you snap from up to 30 feet away. Lightweight and foldable, it's the perfect travel companion. Turn any can or bottle into a creamy draft like a pro. This beer dispenser uses microfoam technology to give your drink a rich, smooth head that enhances flavor and aroma. It works with all beers, from lagers to stouts, and fits most cans and bottles, even big ones. USB or battery-powered, it's perfect for home bars, patios, or tailgates. Stylish and durable, it's a gift every beer lover will appreciate. Keep your cabinet secure without drilling a single hole. This smart lock unlocks 5 ways: mobile app, Apple Watch, RFID, NFC, or Alexa, so you're always in control. Hidden installation keeps your furniture intact, while sturdy zinc and ABS construction handles heavy use. Auto lock and battery indicators make it worry-free, lasting up to a full year on a single set of batteries. Float into summer fun with this oversized pool lounger. Big enough for 3 adults, it's soft, comfortable, and perfect for tanning or just relaxing. A built-in pillow, cup holder, and removable backrest keep you comfy while the water sprinkler adds playful sprays. Use it in pools, lakes, or even the beach for instant relaxation. Lightweight, durable, and easy to inflate, it turns any summer day into a party on the water. Bring your clothes back to life in minutes. This fabric shaver removes fuzz, lint, and pills from sweaters, blankets, and upholstery with ease. 2-speed settings and replaceable stainless steel blades handle everything from delicate wool to thicker fabrics. Adjustable spacers protect your favorite garments while keeping the shaver effective. Compact and battery-operated, it's perfect for quick touch-ups at home or on the go. Upgrade your bedroom with this smart LED nightstand. Auto-sensing lights turn on as you approach and off when you leave, with 3 colors to match your mood. 2 USB ports and a wireless charging area keep your devices powered without clutter. 2 spacious drawers and an open shelf help keep essentials organized. Sleek, high-gloss design makes it both functional and stylish for any room.